Imagine you are traveling in Myanmar. You want to buy food, ask for direction, introduce yourself, and make new friends. What do you need most? Questions. In this video, you will learn some essential Burmese questions you can use every day. These are some of the most useful Burmese questions. Let's get started. Before we learn the question, let's learn how Burmese questions work. There are two main types of questions in Burmese: yes or no and WH question. For yes or no question, they often end la. For example, Ni Kaung La, Sapipi La. For WH question, they are asking for information and they always end with Le, Beh Hmar Leh, Beh Thu Leh. Let's start with a question you will hear almost every day. Ni Kaung Yeh Lar. The meaning is, how are you? Are you doing well? People always ask you this question after a standard formal greeting, Mingalaba. Sometimes people ask you Ni Kaung La, sometimes Ni Kaung Yeh La. The meaning is the same. But if you are using Ni Kaung Yeh La, you show gentle consent because Ye is the particular expression for gentle consent. So you can say Ni Kaung Yeh La. Can you repeat after me? Ni Kaung Yeh La. Ni Kaung La. A common reply is Ni Kaung Ba De. Practice both with me. Ni Kaung Yeh La. Ni Kaung Ba De. Great job. When meeting someone for the first time, we will ask Mei Bar Leh. This is the primary social icebreaker in Myanmar when meeting new people, tour guides, drivers, and local friends. The meaning is, what's your name? Shall we practice together? Mei Bar Leh. Mei Bar Leh. Now try introducing yourself. ကျမက you ပါ ကျွန်တော်က ကိုပါ Next question is, what's this? If you see something you don't know, simply point and ask, ဒါပါလဲ This is a great question for learning new vocabulary. Shall we practice together? ဒါပါလဲ ဒါပါလဲ You can point at food objects, animals, and anything around you and ask, ဒါပါလဲ Going shopping? This question is essential. Beh Lout Leh. Beh Lout Leh. The meaning is, how much is it? You can use this question in the markets, shops, cafes, and tea shops. Maybe in restaurant too. This question is most frequently used phrase for buying something or paying the taxi fare or paying the bill at the restaurant. Beh Lout Leh. How about need direction? Beh Hmar Leh. Beh Hmar Leh. Where it is? If you want to know about your hotel, Hotel Beh Hmar Leh. If you want to know about toilet, Toilet Beh Hmar Leh. This question is essential for navigation in towns, bus stations, airports, and hotels. Beh Hmar Leh. A relaxed and friendly question used among peers, colleagues, or hosts when checking in or maybe starting a casual conversation. Beh Loat Nay Leh. Can you repeat after me? Beh Loat Nay Leh. The meaning is, what are you doing? It's a common casual question in everyday conversation. Beh Loat Nay Leh. And someone will answer, သမင်းစားနေတယ်အိတ်နေတယ် The what nay in this question is continuous aspect maker. Like if they want to know what are you doing now, they are asking you Beh Lout Leh. When do you want to know the reason? Ask Beh Lout Leh, Beh Daw Leh. You can ask in two ways. Beh Lout Leh, Beh Daw Leh. The meaning is the same. Why? How come? You can use this question for seeking explanation, reason, clarification for a situation. For example, Beh Lout Nay Leh. That's me. Why are you laughing? Beh Daw Leh. Why are you late? It's short, simple, and very useful. Beh Lout Leh, Beh Daw Leh. If you want to ask about a person, you can use this question. Beh Thu Leh. Who? Beh Thu Leh. For example, who is that? Who is your teacher? You can ask Beh Thu Leh. မင်းရဲ့ဆရာမဘယ်သူလဲသူကဘယ်သူလဲ Let's practice it together. ဘယ်သူလဲ If you want to ask about time, you can use this question. Beh Daw Leh. Beh Daw Leh. The meaning is when. You can use this question when planning bus departure, meeting, appointment, and travel events taking place in the future. For example, one is the class. Class ka Beh Daw Leh. When will you come? Mei Bar Leh. You can use also Beh Leh. Beh Leh and Beh Daw Leh are the same. This question is one of my favorite. Ya ma la. Ya la. Can you say it? Ya la. Ya ma la. The meaning is it okay? Can I? Is it allowed? When we are asking for permission or checking if something is acceptable, we can use this question. Ya ma la. Ya la. For example, when you are pointing at the chair and you say, Ya la, that's me. Can I sit here? And another example is you are pointing at the camera and you are asking, Ya ma la, that's me. Can I take the picture? And they will respond to you, Ya de, that's me. Yes. Me ya bu, that's me. No. Shall we try it together? Ya la. Ya ma la. Good. Let's review today's question patterns. La is used for yes or no. Le is used for WA question. The politeness secret is ba. These three little words will help you build many Burmese questions and sentences. In Myanmar, it's common to ask questions as a way of being friendly. Don't worry, if someone asks you several questions when you first meet, they are usually showing interest and trying to make you welcome. I hope you enjoy my lesson. See you in the next Burmese lesson. Ta-da!